Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Casey if you are new, and I love sharing with you styling tips and tricks because when you look good, you feel good. It's just true. Now today we are going to talk about belts. We are going to deep dive into belts. I am going to teach you the basics and kind of the fundamentals when you are searching for your own belt. And then I'll share with you the 5 different ways that I love to wear my belts. But let's first talk the fundamentals. There are 2 different ways or places that I like to wear my belts. The first is at my waist. This is typically or always above your belly button, unless you have a really high belly button, and it's going to be the most narrow part of your waist. So by wearing a belt there, it's going to accentuate your waist and give you that hourglass shape. The second way is around my hips. It's going to act as either an accessory, just something cute to wear, or it's going to be practical to hold up my pants. And in this instance, the belt is always going to go through the belt loops. Now, when I am buying my belts, I am buying typically with the purpose of this one's going to go around my waist, or this one's gonna go around my hips. Now you could very easily buy an all-purpose belt where you buy it to fit your hips and then you can use a leather puncher to make some holes so it can go around your waist. And that is totally fine. That said, for me, belts aren't like shoes. It takes a really long time for a nice leather belt to get worn out. So I prefer to buy belts with the intended purpose in mind and then stick to that. But like I said, if you wanna buy an all-purpose belt and use it for both, totally go ahead. Which takes me to my next point. When you are shopping for belts, keep in mind the width that you want. Now, I prefer a skinny to a medium width belt. That is going to be about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, and I just find that this is the easiest to pair, and it's also the most classic width. A lot more classy than a really wide belt. The majority of my belt collection is 10 years old from J. Crew, but they are a nice, genuine leather belt with a really classic width. So I will link down below some belts that I love that'll work both for your waist and for your hips. All right, now let's get into 5 different ways that I like to style my belts. The first way that I love to wear a waist belt is over a dress. And this could be a fit and flare dress or a really voluminous dress that you want a little bit more shape to. This works if you want to highlight your tiny waist, or if you have a more athletic build, then you can pretend and fake a waist by cinching it in with that belt. Another way to wear a waist belt is over a blanket scarf. This is a fun and really fashion-forward way to wear your belt. Now, I get a lot of requests on how to wear a big blanket scarf. Well, this is one of them. I also love wearing belts over oversized cardigans with just some leggings, keeping it super simple. This really helps to pull the look together and then also show off your waist. Also, if you have a cardigan that is a little frumpy looking, this is gonna pull it together and just look a little bit more classic. And then this is just a chain belt that I got from Target. It's really cheap and you're gonna find that it pairs with a lot of different layers. One way that I love to wear belts on my hip is with high-waisted denim and then a tucked-in shirt with either a blazer or a cardigan over it. In this case, you want to show off the belt. You're wearing it, you want to show it off, so you're going to go ahead and tuck in your shirt. You don't have to do a full tuck all the way around. A front tuck is just fine. But this is also going to accentuate your waist and also give you a nice long leg line. And then the last way that I love to wear a belt is over a coat, either a nice wool coat or a trench coat. A lot of coats, especially trench coats, come with a belt, but I don't always love that like matchy-matchy look. So in this case, I'll add my own. Thanks for watching. If you love to use a belt a way that I didn't talk about, let me know in the comments below. I think belts are just a really fun accessory and can bring personality to an outfit. So share it. I'm all ears. I love hearing and learning from you guys as well. If you did learn something, please give this video a like, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.